Site ha Chineke pụrụ ime ihe niile na mmadụ abụrụ Chineke. Aka m na-ekwu ya bụ okwu wee na-ekwuchi ike na mmadụ abụrụ Chukwu. Ọ Chukwu okike ka ọ dị n'aka isi na mmadụ ga-abụ ihe ọ ga-abụ na ọ bụrụ mmadụ. Ihe i were n'ụwa enweghị ihe ọ pụrụ ime ebe Chineke nọ. N'ihe Chineke kwuru na mmadụ ga-abụ. Whom have gone to tell God whom to use. God will just decide the person that he will use. So, I am just a privileged servant. On the process, they told me that I will be crowned a king. I told them, if this my kingship is to champion the cause of injustice, humiliation, and atrocity that is happening around us, he said, I am going to champion it. I also told them that this thing will no longer be Nnadi, that will have to deviate to Eze Nnadi follow.
Eze Oputa Ife, the first.
They will not remember, but I told them that instead of Nnadi, that Eze Nnadi means good people. It's just like crime and anti-crime. When you have the people perpetrating crime in the society, you have the people fighting the crime in the society. This is who we are. Had it been that the way it is, we are the friends of the police because the only thing we report is the crime. Because we don't want it. We don't associate with evil men. We don't associate with evil people. All we say, let a common man in the street have peace. Be equal with a rich man. That we don't want whereby a rich man will be intimidating a common man in the street because of the money he has. Is it a bad thing? Have anyone seen me since I was in this Port Harcourt that they say that I am engaged in a crime? I have not done that. Even the cause I was championing, that is the cause of Eze Nnadi, I told them, if you are caught in the act of anything atrocity, my hands no there. Shall not follow. I wash my hand like Pontius Pilate. So that is where this Eze Nnadi came about. On the process, they told me that I will be crowned a king. I also told them, if you will crown me a king, and if anybody came out to drag it with me, my hands are not there. I will not drag it.
Oh,
because Anna has raised us. It does not matter where he came from. So what am I trying to say? Let this period be the plot that Igbos will know who we are. That Chineke will chukwu okike abịa.
oh God!
That the God has vowed to be with us irrespective of the affliction we are facing through. Bible says that many are the afflictions of the righteous, but God will deliver him out of them all. On the process, I was privileged to be crowned the king of Eze Nnadi full. Like I used to say, I don't want to be where there is every door should remain open. No matter who you are, you cannot do without a coach. You must have somebody that is giving you the word where you go carry the journey. Because as God send you, He already send men where go to support you. So He told me that is when I started reconciling with everybody. Not that I reconcile means that I am a stupid man. No, I reconcile that I want to let them know that even Jesus Christ that we are serving is a master of peace.
Oh God!
So how can you be going to church and you are not practicing the peace in the society? They ask you to forgive, He say, over your dead body. But Jesus Christ said, forgive one another. When we talk about tradition, you talk about Jesus Christ. But we know the tradition, we know the ways of Christ, we know the way of Jehovah. Because the way of God is upright. The way of God is justice, because our God is a man of justice. He doesn't like atrocity. And may atrocity never prevail in my days. Yeah, the quotation should go. We are not perpetrating violence. We are just on a call that say we need the truth to prevail. That we don't want injustice. Is here a bad thing? That we don't want anybody to be tormented in this society.
Oh God.
That we want even the common man, even around where we are doing our business, to be known. That is where this Eze